I'm sitting with this electric fan and it makes my life so much more easier. Hello guys, we are back with the monthly OG Savannah haul, which I absolutely love to do. As you guys already know, you can use my code Tanisha362 on Savannah to get 20% off throughout the year. It is Savannah's anniversary sale, so they are giving surprise wallet cash up to 5,000 to loyal shoppers based on our old orders. So go check out your account and see how much you have earned. So anyways, if till now you have not checked out my Instagram account, it's Rathod Tanisha _. So of course, starting with the one that I'm already wearing because I'm so in love with this one. This is actually a polyester material and it's literally like a Barbie-esque frock sort of a style. It's very well fitted on the top and it has this beautiful gingham print. What is a summer print without this kind of a gingham print going on? It comes in a pink color, it comes in a yellow color. Both of the other colors are also absolutely pretty. They have given this crisscross straps as well, so it will look so damn pretty. The one that I am wearing is in the size extra small, so you can go on the about the product section and वहाँ पे आपको दिख जाएगा कि if it's moderately stretchable, if it's not stretchable, or it's very stretchable. So when it's very stretchable, you can easily size down one size. This cord set that I got, and it is such a fantastic cord set for summer season because it's like a shorts and a shirt sort of a thing, but as you can see, this is like this stripe sort of a thing going on. It is absolutely full sleeves and you can see that there is this white portion in the bottom, so it's actually a part of one material only. It's stitched over here. I love the pink and white ka play. It also comes in a grey white ka combination as well. When you will wear this, you will look like this comfy yet confident girl going out in the brunch who knows styling so damn well. This is the most gorgeous white purse, like a very cool baguette bag. It's slightly off white, but literally it matches all the white outfits that I have over here. The material is damn thick. Like I absolutely love the quality of the strap and the quality of the bag, and I am definitely sure that I'd be carrying this literally everywhere I go. Next top that I have is the most summer coded top. So this is actually a halter neck top over here. Just look at the video. I was literally shining. I was literally giving this Y2K / summer vibe. I absolutely love my entire look over here. I was wearing with denim skirt over here, very breezy, light, summer coded frill style, a little beachy, a little cool, a little summery, a little everything. This is the denim skirt, which gives you the look of a skirt, but this is actually a skirt. This is in the size S, which is a waist 27, and it fits me absolutely perfectly. So of course पीछे से इस तरह से shorts जैसा दिखता है. I would have loved it अगर ये पीछे से भी skirt जैसा दिखता. जो बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे skirts रहते हैं उसके साथ इस तरह का shorts का attachment होना ही चाहिए. Otherwise it gets so uncomfortable when you're like sitting somewhere or something like that. Next up, I have this white top over here. This is like a full sleeves. It's more like a blouse style, which is like a full sleeves going on, and then you have this patterned wala material which has this it's kind of a see-through vibe, but that's what the vibe of this one is. You know, वो जो actual cotton material का होता है ना, ये उस तरह का material है. Easily wear like a nude undergarment, nude bra, or like a nude top also if you don't want to go with just a bra. Again, this one was going with the denim skirt, as you can see. It's giving such a nice vibe. It's giving me, and you can also go for like a relaxed fit jeans along with this one because this is more like a relaxed sort of a fit, more of an effortless summer look. Next up, what I have is actually this yellow dress. Isn't this the most summer coded thing you've seen? This, I'm not gonna lie, I've not purchased this. I got this sent by Savannah. I attended a Savannah event, which is like a puppy picnic, and there were cute puppies. Oh my god, like I've always been afraid of dogs. Yes, there are people who are scared of dogs. All of these puppies were absolutely adorable. This is again a tube dress. It comes with the silicone sort of a thing, so you can, it sticks to your body very nicely, and it has this bow sort of a detailing over here. The material is a crepe material from outside, and inside they have an inner lining, and it's like a long dress, and it's a very beautiful vibe. Before actually ordering, I had this look in my mind where I will wear like a yellow top with a jeans and then carry a yellow bag. Bow printed jeans. This jeans has bow printed all over. It's so damn cute, so damn summery. Okay, I got this size medium, which is 28 waist. So 28 waist मुझे थोड़ी सी लूज होती है, so it's काइंड ऑफ अ लूज फिट फॉर मी. अगर ये 26 होती तो शायद मुझे और बेटर फिट आता है इसका, बिकॉज दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ रियली स्ट्रेचेबल. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू गो फॉर अ साइज डाउन आप वो भी कर सकते हो क्योंकि काफ़ी स्ट्रेचेबल है ये. एंड आई वॉज वेयरिंग दिस येलो टॉप अलॉन्ग विद दैट एंड इट लुक्स सुपर सुपर क्यूट. यू कैन टाई अप अ बो ओवर. सो मैंने ये पहना था विद दीज जीन्स एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स दिस येलो बैग दैट यू कैन सी. द येलो बैग is also very fun and cute. It has this buckle detailing going on and it's like a simple cute chotu sa bag. I was also wearing this cap. I don't own a single cap like this and I was like denim mein le leti hu taki ye sabke sath match ho. I have another jeans which is like a straight leg jeans over here. I have this in the size small and it is waist 27. This jeans actually has no stretchability. It has zero stretchability. However, this bow wala jeans has a lot of stretchability and I absolutely love the fit and the style and the straight leg wala thing. It's a little bit like a loose sort of style. यहाँ पे waist के area में भी काफ़ी loose style है इसका. This time I have another striped pink shirt over here. This is slightly of a different silhouette. You can say it's more like a fitted shirt style. तो ये ऊपर से ऐसे फिटेड ही आएगा एंड कमर में थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा फिटेड है एंड देन इट्स स्लाइटली लूज बट इट्स मोर लाइक अ स्मार्ट येट फिटेड सॉर्ट ऑफ अ शर्ट स्टाइल एंड यू कैन ऑलरेडी सी इन दिस वीडियो विद दिस पिंक बैग. दिस पिंक बैग इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम Savannah. This entire look also looks so nice with the sunglasses and this and that. Another shirt that I have which is again in pink color. Like now I'm thinking I have 3 shirts in pink, but this is more like a solid pink shirt and I feel like solids are so important. I do have solid blue shirt, yellow shirt, but I don't have in pink and it's very good to layer up. You know, I can wear like a tank top inside and then I can wear this shirt along with the tank top and short and it looks very cool, summery. You can tuck it in, you can leave it loose however you like it. The last top that I have for today is going to be this. I love the khaki, like a darker khaki color that it has. And it comes with a bow style. Because of the bow style I thought it's going to be really good. Like summer doesn't mean you only have to go for pastels and colors and all of that. I'm actually wearing it with a tank top inside it because of course there are bows and it's pretty much visible what you're wearing inside. So if you're comfortable you can wear just a bra inside or else you can also wear like a tank top like I am wearing. I'm absolutely in love with the entire collection. I'm sure you guys would have loved it too. Use my code Tanisha362 to get 20% off. You can also check me out on my Instagram account and let me know down below in the comment section कि आपको next क्या देखना है. If you want to see a particular category or something like that.